Coffee, a ubiquitous, energy-boosting, bitter liquid hundreds of millions of people consume every day. While it does have its advantages, it isn't all sunshine and roses. More and more people are looking for a better alternative, and its name is tea. Welcome back to Beyond the Bag. Today we are going to be looking at what teas can replace or even surpass coffee. Together we will find the best tea for you, and before you know it, you'll forget all about your morning cup of joe. The first and most popular choice for those leaving coffee is black tea. This tea most closely resembles coffee with its dark color, earthy taste, and a bitter twinge with a healthy dose of caffeine. Where this tea outshines coffee is by having less acidity and more antioxidants, and a lighter but still substantial caffeine load. This makes it an ideal option for those who are looking to ease down on their reliance on caffeine without running into withdrawals. It is also a great place to start if the acid contents of coffee are causing you any sort of digestive issues or discomfort. Although it is worth mentioning, black tea can still be a bit acidic, so if you are very sensitive, try one of the later entries on this list. Black tea also has more antioxidants in coffee, which help to reduce the damage of stress on the body, which is a major benefit. What if instead of dropping your caffeine, you want to take it up a notch? Well, allow me to introduce you to Yerba Mate. This tea from South America is packed to the brim with caffeine. Flavor-wise, it is somewhat similar to green tea with a light, grassy flavor. This tea is not acidic at all, so you won't have to worry about any kind of gastrointestinal discomfort from it. If you want to really go all out, the Peruvians have a special cup and straw they use to consume the highly concentrated versions of this tea to stay wired 24/7. Yerba also carries some related neurotropic compounds that even help to set it further apart from coffee in terms of performance enhancement. If you are looking for the ultimate caffeine-fueled mental boost, Yerba Mate is the perfect tea for you. One of the main reasons people are ditching coffee in droves is for the caffeine-fueled jitters. These highly uncomfortable episodes are brought on by a sudden spike of energy to the brain. If this is the case for you, then the ideal beverage is green tea or matcha, which is basically a green tea powder. Green tea does contain a level of caffeine, but it's only about a third of that of black coffee. However, what really sets it apart is L-theanine. This handy-dandy nootropic interacts with caffeine in a very special way. It slows down both the energy rise and fall off while extending the length of time the boost lasts without any kind of jitter. Seriously, you have to try it to believe it. Using green tea, you can have a sharp yet peaceful state of mind. Lastly, I know there are some of you out there who are trying to eliminate all caffeine from your life. However, if you are still looking for a little pick-me-up, there is one magical tea that can lift your energy without the world's favorite stimulant. Licorice tea has a unique ability to increase energy by slightly elevating your blood pressure. This can give a similar feeling to a caffeinated buzz. When we consume caffeine, it constricts the blood vessels in our brain and as a result, increases the blood pressure slightly. Licorice tea does something similar by raising blood pressure body-wide. However, it must be said, if you have any kind of pre-existing heart condition or already struggle with high blood pressure, it is not advisable to consume this tea without consulting your physician first. Licorice also has a natural, sugar-free sweetness to it, which is quite enjoyable alongside its truly one-of-a-kind flavor. Additionally, it is extremely soothing to the throat, which is quite helpful if you get feeling a bit under the weather. And there you have it, 4 amazing teas for anyone looking to leave coffee in the dust. As I hope you can see, tea can not only replace coffee, but exceed it. With such a range of options, you can find the one that truly fits your individual needs, tastes, and personal health objectives. Give these a try, and if you decide to ditch coffee for tea, let me know down in the comments below so we can celebrate with you. And I'll see you next time. Cheers. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our future videos. You can also find additional content on our social media and blog.